Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's live market profile analysis for the weekly expiry today by Trade Education. Today is Thursday, the 28th of October. And before I share my analysis, just like to go through a quick disclaimer that trading involves substantial risk and is not suitable for all investors. And the information which I'm sharing is for educational purposes only and cannot be used for any trade related activities. Okay, so before we move on, so right now you must have heard about a new chime of high volume Nifty. So I'm just going to the market profile chart. Currently Nifty is one time framing down, and this was a poor low because it was near the 25th of October low. Now what I'm currently looking at is whether we see continuation to the downside, because the downside can be till 17,944. That's the value area high. That's the area of interest of 12th of October. And if you see, we have this balance. So if I combine these two balances, so we are still trading in the value of 11th and 12th of October. So and this overall, so I'm looking for continuation. If I see lack of continuation, the odds are high because we have got a poor B and C highs, of this 30-minute candle, and I think one of the candle was at half back. Was it this one? Oh, sorry, it was in Bank Nifty. So this period high, so that is okay. So I am talking of this particular period high. This is at half back, and currently Bank Nifty is looking that it will clear the lows. A lot of selling pressure is coming in, but let me switch back to Nifty. Nifty. So Nifty is how Nifty is behaving. Similarly, Bank Nifty is behaving. So so the low has been cleared, and let's see whether we see continuation, because we have our 1 HVN here. This is a low volume area node. A lot of, I would say, none of trading activity has happened. So this is a new area. Some stop losses would be hit around today's low. And the thing which I'm looking at is how it snapped back. It just went from the tempo angle. It just went below this low, and then again it snapped back. Let me just look at Nifty. Nifty is still at the lows. I'll also share my trading window. So I'm currently active in a trade. Let me first share you the order flow chart so that you are pretty clear. So one of the area so this is the Nifty's order flow chart, and we had trapped sellers. So these are trapped sellers. Then right now there are unfinished auctions, so there are no complete auction. But if you see positive delta for this particular candle, 5-minute candle, this is a Nifty futures 5-minute candle chart. Okay, so we have got a positive delta. Massive selling did came in, which has been seen here, and after this big delta, now we are seeing positive delta. So a sort of momentum reversal, because overall delta is positive even though the candle has closed red. Okay, so so some sort of buying momentum is coming in. So let's see. So again, I'm switching back to that, whether we are seeing continuation or not. So so that's one of the things which I wanted to share. Now let me switch over to my trading terminal. So this is the current. So currently I'm active in the Bank Nifty trades. This is the current MTM, and I have sold 41,000 CE, 40,000 E, 40,000 C, and there is one more. But so massive. I did not book. I was actually in profits, but I did not book those because I was being a bit greedy, and I did not book the profit. And right now it looks like I'll be. So I'm currently in the Fivers monthly challenge, and it looks like I'll be losing out that challenge. Till now I was in profit, but this is a big, massive loss. I would say not a massive loss, but for a single trade, for a single day from intraday perspective, it's a loss which I'll be booking in FIRE. So I'll be waiting till till 3 p.m. and see what happens. Because looking from the market profile chart, Bank Nifty looks like the value is still developing lower. It's still showing continuation to the downside, and it's following what Bank Nifty or what Nifty's chart is doing. So being an expiry day, let's see how much. But yeah, this is the current MTM in terms of the active trades. So let me switch back to the market profile chart, and so current reference is the current low, and this is the single print zone. This is the HVN. Also, so I'm looking for continuation. The current time is 1:43, so 2 minutes left for the new bar to open or a new period to start. But overall, from the context perspective, there were particular gaps in Nifty which got filled. Then we saw continuation to the higher side. And sorry, this is Bank Nifty. Then so like same is for Nifty, but let me cover Bank Nifty first. So gaps which got filled. We have this poor lows. We have PPOC. So a lot of intraday or nuances are currently there present in the Bank Nifty's chart. Similarly for Nifty, if I share, so if you see the overall, we were like in a one-time framing higher scenario. So we were in an uptrend followed by a downtrend, again an uptrend. So we are like a sort of sideways movement is developing, and basically what is happening is who missed buying here, those are the players who again bought here. So those who bought here, again they are trying to buy it. So this low, that is the 25th of October low, is a pretty important reference. So that's what I'm looking at. But yeah, I'm more of an intraday trader. I'm planning to switch over to swing trading in options, but it will take some time. But right now the auction is still developing below the low of 25th of October. So I'll just give it some more time and see whether we are seeing continuation or reversal. Okay, let me share again my trading terminal. Yeah, I'm still in loss of 6,500. So yeah, so that's it. I think I'll be just keeping monitoring till 3 p.m. Again, I have our 1.5 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes more, and let's see what more I can bring on. Okay, so thank you, and with that I'll just quickly end this session, and let's catch up again next week for the weekly expiry. Take care, have a safe trading, have a nice day, and see you soon. Bye for now.